under 3D geometry, we have a tool there, Create 3D by Slope to Target. Kind of like the side slope tool that we used to have in GeoPax Site Modeler or the En-ROAD Site Modeler. That tool gives me a variety of options. I can slope to a terrain, I can slope to an elevation, a distance, horizontally or vertically, or to a terrain model. So this is a handy tool for benching. So for example, if I want to slope for a horizontal distance of 12 feet at 3:1 up, I can do that. So for a horizontal distance, locate the reference element. Go ahead and pick that point. Distance 12 feet, both in cut and fill. And you can see, as I move to the right side, I look in my 3D view, or if I move to the left side, look in my 3D view, I can see the temporary graphic being displayed there. I can lock it to the Alt to lock to the start. So I want to do it along the entire element. And then Alt to lock to the end. And then data point to accept it. And I can see, again, a 3:1 slope up. I could go to a terrain model. So if I want to slope to a terrain model, I can say for cut and fill 3:1 on both the cut and the fill. I could have varying slopes. The cut slope start at 3:1 and maybe finish at 2:1. Maybe I want to change my exterior slopes to 4:1. I can do that just by changing the slope here, or as I'm being prompted as I'm working through the tool. So I'll go ahead and key those in. So again, I'll slope to a terrain model, locate my reference element, reset for active terrain in my case, both in cut and fill. And again, left side or right side. So I can look into 3D view. It's helpful to have the 3D view open so I can see that. I can kind of see the temporary graphic. And then start at the beginning all the way to the end, and then data point to accept. And I can see that it's created that graphic. So the create 3D line by slope goes ahead and creates the graphics in both 3D and in 2D.